Hey guys, alright, so I'm here to answer some questions. Probably people want to switch the Gen 1 or Gen 2 steering wheel to the newer, what is it, the Gen 3, I guess. So I'm trying to do it just to see if it was even possible. Found this Gen 3 one here from a 15 300S with the paddle shift and everything. Got it like 80 bucks off eBay, so I decided to go ahead and grab it to see if I could swap it out. Glad I didn't buy the airbag or anything. So I have everything here running on my existing 14, and you can see that the buttons still work here. You can turn the volume up, change the stations, and use all those buttons there. So now I'm gonna swap it out here and put the 15 in there. So let me see, let me unhook this here. See if I can get this in with one hand here. I can't. Alright, get it lined up. Alright, I got it lined up. Inside, ready to go. Let me take this regular clip here, like on the 14, clips right in like it's nothing, like it's supposed to be there. But when you try to use any of the buttons, nothing. Volume, station, nothing works. Only thing I haven't tried though were the paddle shifts. Matter of fact, let me try that. Put it in drive. Paddle shifts do not work either. You would see it switch over to the steering, to drive the one if it did. Put it back in park. So there you go. If you want to take a third gen, I guess if that's what you want to call it, steering wheel, put it on the second gen, it won't work. All right.